Hello, everyone. My name is Promotional, also known as Dr. B, and I am one of the co-founders of a practice called the Wellness NPs. We are a group of board-certified nurse practitioners that specialize in medical weight loss, and we are super excited about these new class of medications that are currently available to our patients, semaglutide and tirzepatide. These medications have been allowing our patients to have amazing results. Some of the benefits our patients are seeing are losing between 15 to 20% of their body weight. It helps to prevent diabetes. It helps to improve insulin resistance, which is a major reason why people struggle with weight, and also suppress appetite. If you struggle with losing weight and keeping it off, then you've come to the right place. We are passionate about the services we provide, and we focus on providing a comprehensive and customized program that is designed specifically to help you reach your needs. With our program, you have the option of doing our DIY packages where the medication is shipped directly to your home, or you can come into our office and we can provide the medications and the injections for you. Here's a couple of our patients who've had some great results with our program and the medications we're currently using. Our first patient has been able to lose over 35 pounds, and she's still going strong. And then our second patient, one of our biggest success stories, has been able to lose 160 pounds. That's right, 160 pounds in just a year. So if you're ready to get the ball rolling, take advantage of our weight loss consultation, redeem that voucher, schedule that appointment, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Here's to good health.